All right, guys, we're doing context clues. All right, and we're doing the day four version of this. Right? Let me make sure I'm correct in saying that. Yeah, day four version. There it is. All right, and so what it is you if you look at different parts of the sentence, and we all agree that the sentence is the context, right? Right. If I just write this word down, I always go to this word because it makes me laugh when kids see it and they're like, "Well, I don't know." If I just wrote that word down and left it there and said, "Hey, give me the definition of spring," you would say, "Mr. T, I can't." And I would say, "Why?" Well, because we don't know which one it is. And then we finally arrive at the idea that you need the rest of the sentence or paragraph. And we call that sentence and paragraph the context, right? We're looking for clues in the context. And so that's what we're going to do right here. Let's take a look. All right. So sometimes we find the meaning of unknown words in the rest of the sentence, right? So take a look. Um, it says traveling abroad, that's the key word there. We're trying to find out what that word means. Is an exciting way to learn about another country, right? So abroad must be far away in another country. There it is, right? First, you need to obtain a passport, right? And remember, we said, oh, just check and see. When we see a comma, right, in clue words, we're looking for those for sure. A travel document from the government, right? Right? You obtain it from the government. All right, so let's take a look. It says underline the word or words that help you figure out the meaning of the bold word. So for this one, the bold word is awaited, and this one's prior, and this one's departed. We'll do these three, and then you guys can try to work the rest. All right, it says, as Marty awaited her flight for an hour, she read her guidebook. Well, she awaited, you know what? I'm saying an hour for an hour, and she read her guidebook, right? So for an hour she read her guidebook, right? So those are the words that tell me what awaited means. It means that she was waiting. The flight hadn't been there yet. All right, right. Prior to this trip, she had traveled by plane once before, right? So before really, and she had done it before, right? So those are some clue words. As her plane departed, she waved goodbye to the people on the ground. Waved, right? That means she must be what? If you're waving to someone, you're leaving, right? All right. So I want you guys to work 4 through 8 and see how you do on those. And then I'll look at the second part of that. Let's look at 9 and 10 really quick. Here it is. It says, read the sentence and then write the meaning of the bold word. When Marty landed, she left the plane and transferred to a bus. All right. So transferred is the key word we're looking for. Are there clues on here? When Marty landed, right? So when you land, what are you gonna? You're not gonna fly anymore, right? All right. She rode the bus to a remote. There's the key word. Village, 100 miles from the city. That's your clue word. What does remote mean? All right. All right. Good luck, you guys. Remember that I want you guys to take a photo and post that, right? When you're done, you'll post that right here like you normally do. All right. So good luck. Make sure you post 2, 3, and 4. Tadero out.